Bah, Donkey Kong.
You're going into my time.
Gay.
I'll make the next one. I'm gonna go wash my hair really quick.
No knockback? Hello?
Yeah, I was gonna hold on.
Alright, well, this is a warm-up.
Oh.
Yo,
Doesn't
Jade,
mean-
look at me, bro.
What?
Little shits.
Oh.
He's got a dome, motherfucker.
Lurpy, I know a better spot. In that zone.
Yeah, I
Oh,
probably
you
know
hit
it
the
too.
thing and got slowed down.
Wow, I'm crazy. I think I FC did.
Down. I just
Full combo.
You fucking tried! You tried so hard!
It's all fun and games until that one black dude named Marquise is right next to your bed.
No, I thought I could weave underneath.
Silly.
It was.
That wasn't like you not doing that would have changed nothing. Like it wasn't. Oh, that was gross. Alright.
Shut up, Mason. Stop telling my secrets.
Go. 'Cause I don't have pulse max. Alright, motherfucker. Get ice melted from 200 meters away after doing that.
Oh my god. Oh, I just wanted distance because you're on the fucking grapple wapple, you know, and like the fight just barely began. Yeah.
You see?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Dance off. No.
I really thought you would move to the left, right?
Oh, what? Oh my god, what? Yo!
Yes!
Yo. Yo, what? I swung. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm not about to get clipped! No,
Hey, listen to this. Expecting is when you take your own problems and apply them to somebody else because you're too blind.
Yeah,
to your
yeah,
own
sure,
issues.
sure.
Bruh,
You look
Go,
at
go look at
I
what
was gonna
fucking Google
give
says.
you
It's
it,
nothing
like,
like that.
until you
100%. 100%.
Nah, bro.
No,
Okay.
I just read a fuck ton, bro. Like that's not at all what Google says.
Yeah, you read off Google, bro.
That's not at all what
Hey,
Google
why
says.
would
I
you
can
bring up
guarantee
Google?
that.
We didn't bring up Google.
Yes, you did.
Hey,
I
Google.
know you motherfuckers brought up Google.
I'm just kidding.
I didn't bring up Google.
Oh
I
my
didn't-
god. What has this been?
Okay.
I didn't even know that was.
I'm
from
not about to
Google
get clipped.
until
My
you told
shit
me.
broke. My
What's from
shit.
Google?
Speed up.
3, 2,
He
1,
is.
go.
He is a kinky motherfucker.
He's been Stockholm
Yo.
syndrome.
You're not about to do this shit. You're not about to do this. No! Whoa.
Oh, you almost got frame perfect next time again.
No! 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 Out! This is not a dance.
No!
Ow. What you talking about, bro? I was trying to make you feel good about yourself, bro. I love you.
Oh man, cause I can't even perform how I want to perform when I have to live up to these expectations.
I'm sorry.
Let alone
Yo,
properly
Blue.
warm up.
Whoa, that was a clip.
Alright, I got one arrow. Yes! Casper hosted classics in literally every single match. It would be all the players over on one side of the map. Also, why the fuck? All my tripwires are tilted at a 45-degree angle.
Oh
right
shit.
now. Oh, it's because I'm leaning. Yo, that's
Yeah,
actually
your
so
screen's
cool.
tilted.
No. It's the place I spawned. I spawned in
Oh,
Lava Factory, in that spot my character's leaning, and so all my tripwires are leaning. Oh, it's super cool.
The fact that you hit me. I hope you know he.
Oh shit! I got staggered, bro. Oh, what the fuck?
Man's dip.
Oh, how the fuck
Well,
did you know I was there?
Hey, at least you're directing next game.
Fuck
Facts.
you.
I don't
Because
really
I saw you
I don't
there.
wanna be in it though, cause like I know my code's gonna die. Oh my god! I just anti-hopped into fucking lava, and barely saved myself the bubble.
Oh, I'll come back.
Sam, join the call.
That's actually pretty back.
Hello.
I'm scared. You're like a.
Hello, Bubbles.
You're like a ticking bomb. I don't know what.
Oh, 340, 402. No.
Bro, I think your internet's just horrible.
I did. It's just a fucking 402. I got my. Where is my snowball at? I'm at 326, 414.
He's actually lagging like hard. Oh yeah, 225 J, 225. I know, one shot. He's one shot. I did not. Oh my.
We're bad. We're actually bad at the game.
I didn't mean to do that. That was an accident. I did not mean to do
Dog
that.
water.
Okay, there. You got your health.
You'd be dead.
I don't even know where you were.
Good. Oh, I thought I had rights for a moment. But alas, I
Oh my god, bro. This man just. I can't play the game anymore. I'm not able to. Bro, do anyone at school know about your YouTube channel?
I have 230 subscribers on a dead fucking game.
Destroy my bird one more time.
Okay.
Wait, what? You're. Oh,
No. No.
that's so weird. Why was?
No, I tried to backflip.
Why are you hitting me? Wait, how did you?
Doing a lot worse than you did last time. Duping medkits, Vincent?
Yeah, so I could fight you after.
Win City! Fuck off, Merchant! Wow! No! It will leave! It will just leave!
I usually don't allow it, but like, I'll be there to.
How do I attempt
I
this
love
over?
it! How did that?
You out here focusing other headhunter girls. and
No
lava,
one
bro.
focused
No,
on
no,
just
no, no,
you one shot. I just you
No,
one
that's
shot.
segregation. That's racism.
Oh my
I forgot, though, like,
God.
everybody's
Racism,
motivated.
racism,
Exactly,
racism,
racism.
racism.
Exactly, yeah,
Shut up.
racism. Why you get racist over, bro?
We should just segregate the bird players from the grapple and
No
jet wing
shot,
players,
you rolled
honestly.
forward to
Bird
that.
player's
GG.
awesome.
Well, I mean, I just assumed you would have had a bit more experience than SPs from OG though. Oh wow.
This is like a
Spooky, scary skeleton.
This
I
is
am
not a fucking
sorry
OG
in the
Darwin
slightest.
SP. An OG Darwin SP is like 4 or 5.
Hello.
Why are you there?
Clue just launched me over here. Why?
Oh my god!
Dude, what the fuck?
I'm getting unlucky, bro.
I'm getting unlucky every time I try to make a shield. Somebody comes running up that staircase. Why? How does that fucking swing get to the back? Yeah, good fuck.
Why
Nigerian.
can't I see you? Why can't I see you? What?
All merchants on wings. Bop! I'm at my everything. That would have been a clean bop.
And knock off a cracker for calling me.
Oh my God.